Ladies and gentlemen, this is Krishna Kumar here. Welcome to Tradecraft Academy. Now we are going to look into the weekly analysis, like what happened on the last week and how we're going to trade on a next week according to the support and resistance in the weekly base, guys. Okay, here we are into Nifty 50. You can see this is a Nifty 50. Like what happened in the last week. First, foremost, we are going to look into what happened the last week. You can see last week it has taken a 20,500 at the bottom, and it has taken a high of 20,000. 900 is the high. It has taken a high, and it has been closed on a positive note of it is a momentum candle. This is called bullish candle. This is a momentum candle. You can see, as according to the price action techniques, it has been broken the swing level. You can see the entire market is on a bull run and a little bit retest here. Again it has been a bull run. Again it has taken a retest here. Again it has gone on a bull turn on a higher side, and you can see it has according to price action level, the swing level has been broken here. Like this is how it has been a gap up entire week. It was a gap up and it was in a very good bull run here. And how going to take a trade on tomorrow, on next week, and how going to analyze according to the next week, guys. Here it has taken an entire bull run. Like I'm expecting a small corrections. As see guys, this is an bull market, is not in a bear market. Don't go for a short blind shot over here. According to the price action levels, you can go in an intraday time, like not in a weekly basis. And a weekly basis, you can see it has given a bull run here. It has given a very good bullish momentum over here. Then what happened the next week? Max, like for example, next week market might happen. Now a few days it has been consolidating in 2 to 3 days. Like it is consolidating. Again, we can see a bull run on the higher side of once the 21,000. That is 21,000. When the Nifty breaks, then you can see the target of 21,200 and 21,400 is the next target levels I'm expecting on a next week level basis. Like unless 21,000 above it closes on the daily basis, after that you can go for a bull run for 21,200, 21,400. Like what happened if a market goes on sideways, it comes down. Here we got a support of 20,600. We got a major support here on a weekly basis. Like once 20,600 breaks, again we can see the target of 20,300. This is 20,300 is the one more support we got it over here. Like till that we can expect unless the 20,600 breaks over here, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade according to the Nifty in the weekly basis, like this. Like okay, guys, now we are going to look into the Bank Nifty analysis in a weekly time frame, guys. You can see here we are into the weekly time frame, guys. This is a weekly analysis what we are going to do. Like here you can see Bank Nifty has given a very good points rather than Nifty. You can see it here. It has taken a support of 45,500. This is 45,500 has taken a support over here, and it has given a closing of an entire week of 47,262. That is around 1,800 points has given in a week, guys. In a week it has given 1,800 points on the upper side. According to the price action level, you can see Nifty has been retested here, and again it has taken a resistance. Again we got a retest. Here it has taken a support, and again the support resistance has been broken here, guys. That is resistance around 46,200 has been broken, and it has gone on a higher side. Here you can see is in a momentum candle, very good momentum candle. The swing level has been broken. This is in a breakout we have got in a weekly analysis. Like market has been a breakout here. It has been a very good movement. Like how we're going to take it to next week analyze according what kind of a target we might get, guys. Here you can have book on Monday. The market is open above 47,300. Then you can see the target of 48,000 is the first target I'm expecting here, guys. And the second target is I'm expecting of around 48,500 is the second target we can see on a higher side. What happens if market consolidate or it come when it comes down? When the come downs here 46,400, we got in a support, guys. Here it has taken a resistance. Yes, resistance has become a support over here. 46,000 is the 400 is the first support, and once if it breaks, the second support is around 45,500 is in a second support over here, guys. According to this, you have to take a trade in a weekly basis, analyzing in a positional trade, guys. Let's look into the fin nifty. What happened in the fin nifty in the weekly analysis? Okay, guys, let's look into the Nifty Fin service, how it has been reacted in the last week and how we're going to take a trade in the next week, guys. According to the price actions level, you can see there's according to swing level broken here, guys. Here there's a resistance over here. It has broken this weekly basis. It has broken and it's given a very good momentum candle. There's a bull candle over here around 800 points on a higher side entire week. You can see it has taken a support of 20,500 has taken a support, and it has closed around 21,213 points on a higher side. It has closed here. Like how we're going to take a trade on a next week basis. Once here the 21,000 is in a support over here. 21,000 we got in a small support here. Once 21,000 retest and go it's go on higher side according to the price action level above 21,200. You can see the target of first target 21,400 and second target is 21,600 and third target is 21,800. We can see the resistance over there. What happened if the market comes down, guys? We might expect some small corrections in the market. It has been a bull run. Healthy corrections should be there. Once the healthy corrections broke like 21,000 breaks like below 21,000, you can expect the support level. Here we got a major support of 20,600. We got a support over here, guys. According to the price action levels in a positional trades in a weekly basis, you can go for a trade, guys. Now let's look into the Sensex. What happens in the Sensex? How we're going to take a trade in the Sensex, guys? Here you can see Sensex is the same thing happened in the Sensex. You can see like it has been the same price action level. It has broken the resistance over here. According to the price, the bull run, guys. According to the price action, it has broken the swing levels and it has moved on a higher side. Here you can see it has taken a support of Sensex has taken a support of 68,400. It has taken a support and it has reached a 69,820, guys. Almost more around 2,000 points on a higher side we have seen over here. Like according to the price action level, you can see it has been a very good momentum candle. Is a bull candle has happened over here. Now what happened in next week? How we going to trade in a Sensex? Now, after when once the 70,000 like a 69,900. Yes, 69,900 we got a resistance. Once the 69,900 breaks, we can expect that first target of 70,500 and the second target we can expect of 71,000. Still 71,000 we can expect the market on a higher note in the Sensex, guys. What happen if the market comes down? If the market comes down, say this, you can say this, according to the price action level, we gotten a support of 68,500, guys. Once the 68,000 retest and it goes more on a higher side, you can see the target of 70,000, 70,500 and 71,000 for the next week, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade in a Sensex in the index, guys. And one more thing I want to say, guys, please subscribe my channel and share as much as people so that they can learn about the weekly analysis regarding the support and resistance. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to look into the intraday support and resistance levels on for the Monday basis, guys. Like here we got some support and resistance over here according to the price action levels. What happened like on Friday? You can see it has been a bit gap up and the market has taken a resistance of 21,000 over here, and it has been market has been came down to the support of 20,860 here, guys. You can see here the gap has been covered by here. This is where the gap has been covered and it retest and again it has gone on a positive note on a upper side of 20,980 on a Monday's basis. Like how we going to take a trade on a Monday basis according to the price action, guys. Here you can see what happened in the intraday levels. Like market might I'm expecting a flat note on Monday or bit little bit small positive note on that. Like once market open, what happened the market, if the market open on the flat note basis, unless the 21,000 resistance to be broken to a higher side, guys. Once the 21,000 this resistance has been broken, is on a psychological level, guys. Try to understand the psychology level in the sense, like most of the option raters and sellers will be activated over there. Once they 21,000 call raters gets panic, then you can see the market will be moving towards 21,100 and 21,200 on the upper on the higher side, guys. Like what happens, the market gets gap down open. If the market gets gap down open, we got a support of 20,900, guys. Here we got a support of 20,900 over here. According to the price action, once the 20,900 take a support and price action levels, you can enter into the trade for the target of 21,000. You can trial it until the 21,000 breaks. If the once the 21,000 breaks, you can see the target of 21,100 and 21,200. What happens if the gap will happen and the resistance support has been broken on 20,900? Once the support has been broken 20,900, you can take read according to price action, according to retest, and you can see the target of 20,800. We got a support here, guys. Once unless the market in intraday won't come into the negative state, like unless it is broken 20,860, we got a support. It might take a support and pull back over there. Or if the market broke 20,860, then you can see the fall of 20,800 and 20,750 to the bottom level, guys. This is how we're going to trade according to the support and resistance level and according to the price action techniques, guys. Now let's look into the bank nifty. Like here in the bank nifty, how to take in a bank nifty on a Monday, guys. Here you can see bank nifty has been a very good move, better than nifty on Friday note. You can see it's given a very good positive note around 42,280 has taken the resistance over there, guys. Like what happened on Monday when the market gap ups or gap downs or a flat note? Three things happens in the market. Like if a market gap up happens, is above 47,300. 47,300. The markets go for a gap up. You can see the target of 47,400 and the second target 47,500. That is 47,500 is the second target. You can see there, guys. Like this, what happens if the market consolidated and if opens in the flat note or brokers down, the market gap down? Here you can see if the market gaps down here, according to the price action level retest, you can go for a short here for the target of you can see one support we got it here of 46,900. And once the 46,900 breaks, you can see the target of 46,700, 46,600 and 46,500 is the major support we got it over here. Till when the market gets gap down, we can see all the corrections to be happen. The minor corrections will be happen over there. Then you can see the downside till 46,500, guys. Don't be hurry, guys. Be patient and wait for the movement to come. According to the price action techniques, you can go for a trade, guys. Here and nifty bank nifty. Let's look into the fin nifty. What happened into the fin nifty? Here, guys, according to the price action levels, you can see the fin nifty has given a very good momentum in the Friday's note. You can see it has taken there was a resistance for here, guys. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 is a two bottom up, bottom down, and two bottom has taken. Again, it has broken the resistance. Here we got a resistance. When the resistance broken up here, the resistance become the support. Here it has taken a support, that is 41,150 has taken a support level. The market to on Monday, if its gap up happens, around 21,250 it is broken. According to the price action levels, you can go for a trade on a higher side of 21,275, and 21,300 will be the higher side of the target, guys. The 21,300 and 21,350 will be the high on the upper side of the target. What happens if the market gap downs? When the market gap downs over here, according to price action level techniques, according to the swing level, you can go for a short for the target of 20,800, guys. Guys, this is not a bear market. Be cautious while going for a short. Mild corrections might happen in an intraday. That doesn't mean the market, the entire market is on a negative note. Is in a corrections, healthy corrections should be happen over here anytime. Don't go for a short for a long time. According to the price action levels, you can go and keep a stop loss and book the profits over there, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade in FinNifty service on Monday base, guys. Let's look into the Sensex. How we're going to take a trade in the Sensex. Here, guys, in the Sensex, you can see in the Sensex. Yeah, guys. Here you can see that Sensex, it has given a very good move on the Sensex on entire week on Friday also. You can see here it has taken a three according to price action. This is called like just a moment, guys. According to the price action, this is called one top, two top, and triple top. He had taken a triple top that happened in the intraday basis level. What happened in the market on Monday basis? If the market gap ups, if the market gap ups above 69,900 only, above 69,900, when the gap up happens, you can see the target of 70,000 and 70,100, guys. One more thing I want to say is a 70,000 is a psychological figure. Previously I was keep saying that what do you mean by psychological figure, in the sense most of the sellers and option writers will be activated in 70,000. When you going for a trade from 69,900, you might get a rejection of at the 70,000. There you can book a profit once, and again once the 70,000 breaks on according to price action level, you can see the 71,200 and 71,300 and 70,000 still 500, we can see the target and a higher note. What happens? The market gets gap done. When the market gets gap done here, according to the price action techniques of the pullback, you can see the target of 69,500 on the bottom side, guys. 69,500 is the first target, and the second target will be 69,400, guys. Don't be hurry, guys. Be patient, take a trade, and keep it without stop loss. You can't go for a trade, guys. These are the risk management techniques always use for the stop loss, so that we can't stick on to the trade, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade on Monday on Sensex, guys. One more thing I want to say, that please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as people, for friends, relatives, so that they also can learn about the intraday levels and support and resistance, guys. Thank you.